If you are wondering if POCO F8 Pro has 3.5mm headphone jack, then the answer is unfortunately no. Usually if there is a headphone jack included, we can find it at the top of the phone or at the bottom of it. But as you can see, the only port that we have is this USB-C port over here. So we can use this port instead. So if you have wired headphones that have USB-C cable, then of course we can connect it directly to the phone. But if you have wired headphones with this kind of cable, then of course in this case we need to use an adapter that looks, for example, like this. This is an example adapter that allows us to connect 3.5mm headphone jack and put it in a, well, turn it into USB-C cable, and then we can connect it to our phone just like that. And then we can use our wired headphones like that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.